Yep, it's game day and you trying to figure out what appetizer to make and you want it easy. I'm gonna show you guys how to make Creole sausage balls. Simple, easy, and delicious. Get in your kitchen, let's go. So let's do a quick rundown of what we have right here. Back here we have our Bisquick biscuit flour here, some breakfast sausage here, some sharp cheddar, Creole seasoning, some W sauce, lemon juice, more W sauce. This is dried parsley, green onions, Creole mustard, horseradish, more Creole seasoning, more Creole mustard, minced garlic, mayo, and some milk. So these are the ingredients. Let's get to it. All right, so we're gonna make our dipping sauce first. That way we can go ahead and get it refrigerated and it'll be ready to go once we get done. We're gonna add our lemon juice to our mayo, that W sauce, that Creole seasoning, Creole mustard, and our horseradish. We're just gonna mix this to combine it. Just like that. I'm also gonna add a little parsley in that. I'm gonna do another mix like this. And that's fresh parsley, guys. And that's what we have. We're gonna get this baby refrigerated and we're gonna come right back. So let's start preparing our sausage balls. We're gonna add our green onions to our Bisquick mix, our Creole seasoning, our dried parsley, and I'm just gonna give this a quick mix like this. Get all those ingredients combined. All right. Next, we're gonna add our cheese. I'm gonna get that tossed around in here like this. Just like that. So now we're gonna come behind that with our wet ingredients. We're gonna add our minced garlic, our W sauce, Creole mustard, our milk, and then we're gonna end it off with our breakfast sausage. And guys, we're gonna go in this with our hands to get it completely mixed. All right, guys, that's what we have. Let's move on. All right, so now we're gonna start forming our sausage balls. Now I'm gonna use a scooper about this big right here. You can take any type of scooper you want and make them as big as you want, but I'm gonna make them, not gonna be pretty much on the large end. Let's see, something like that. Let's see what that's gonna look like. Yeah, I think that's a nice size ball right there. And I'm just gonna sit it right here on this baking rack. Now I did grease it so it won't stick. I'm gonna do another one just like that. I'm gonna sit that baby right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and get all these formed and then we're gonna come right back. All right, so now our sausage balls are all formed. I've already preheated our oven to 350 degrees. We're gonna stick them in the oven, let them cook for 20 to 25 minutes until they're golden brown, all right? So this one would have about 30 minutes into the oven. Since mine was a little bit bigger, I had to cook them a little bit longer. As you can see, guys, I changed it and put it over on some parchment paper. And the reason I did that is because I didn't realize when I first put it in, I was like, God, those things are not gonna stay on that rack. So make sure you put it on some parchment paper or some aluminum foil. So let's go ahead and get these babies over onto a plate so we get into quality control. There you have it, guys. Creole sausage balls. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Let's jump into quality control. It's time to test them out. Let's go. All right, so it's quality control time. We're gonna bring these sausage balls to the front of the congregation. Guys, look at that. Oh man. Hey, these Creole sausage balls, let's not disrespect them like that, all right? Let's go ahead and bite into it without the sauce. Oh yeah. Oh man, put some of that sauce on it. Oh. Wow, but the dipping sauce, amazing. Sausage ball by itself, absolutely fantastic. Oh baby. This is a game day appetizer. It better be on your table at your next tailgate. So, until the end, y'all already know who I am. All wings, everything. And remember, I'm not a chef, but these sausage balls are good. I just cook a lot, and now I'm out. Peace.